Assalamu alaikum. SirKhurramKashan is here, and today I will discuss about the POC's first chapter, scope of commerce or scope of business. So the topic today is business. What is business? This is one of the most important topic from the examination point of view, because first we have to know about business. So what is business? Business is derived from the word busy or busyness, which means a person is busy in their work, as a businessman is busy in his business work. So business means a person is busy or is in the state of busy. All economic or legal activities by which we can earn profit is called business. In other words, business should be in regularity and continuous form. This is a continuous activity. So, shall we start about the scope of business, definition of business, and the types of business. So, let's see what is business. A proper definition is given. The word business is come from the English word, as I told you, busyness. Business is a legal process of production and purchasing and selling to earn profit. So the basic concept or objective of business is to earn profit. Beauvoir said, business is an institution organized to provide goods and services to the society under the incentive of gain. So another Skinner said, business is the exchange of goods, service or money for mutual benefit or profit. So we have to now discuss about the types of business. How many types of business? There are three types of business. Production business, that is, what is production business? Production can be explained as an act of either manufacturing or mining or growing of goods, commodities, generally in bulk for trade. Another definition, production is the method employed for making or providing essential goods and services for the customers. So in this process, initial goods are produced, manufactured with the help of raw material, convert into finished goods. The another kind of business is trading business. So what is trading business? Earning revenue and profits from the merchandise a businessman should sell. In this business, buying and selling of goods and services take place for profit to the customers. This is another type of business. Trading is the most important type of business. Now we proceed to the third kind of business, is a service business. So what is service business? An enterprise composed of a professional or team of experts that deliver work or aid in completing a task for the benefit of its customers. You can say, in this type of business, services like doctors, teachers, advocate, drivers, services are rendered to the customer and charge fees or other amount of money as a charges. So these all three kinds of business should we understand and then proceed. About service business, we can also say that a business providing intangible products which don't have any physical form is called a service business. This type of business offer advice, expertise, professional skills and other similar services. Now we have to understand about the scope of business. Business is divided into two aspects, that is industry, another one is trade or commerce. What is industry? There is a number of large firms having same nature of business like Gul Ahmad, Al-Karam, J. Sana Safinas. These are all producing clothes. So these are all firms combinedly gathered to say what is, we have to understand now the industry. What is industry? So industry is all the firms having a same nature of business is included in a particular industry. For example, extractive industry, manufacturing industry, genetic industry, construction industry, assembly or services. And then what is extractive manufacturing? Extractive is exploring minerals from soil. Manufacturing is production of raw material, from raw material to a finished good. Genetic industry belongs to the species of animal or plants. Construction belongs to the construction of dam and roads, assembly and to combine electronic products or other products to be a particular product or service. And then we study second aspect, trade and commerce. What is trade? Buying and selling of goods and services. It has two types: inland trade, buying and selling of goods within a country; foreign trade, buying and selling of goods among the countries, which has two kinds, import and export. Purchasing goods from other countries called import, and selling goods to other countries is called export. So commerce include aid to trade. Most of the services include in commerce, like banking, transportation, insurance, warehousing, or mercantile agents like wholesalers or retailers. These are all services included in the commerce activity. In short, all these things are business.